everyone, the most awaited official notification has been come. So the intermediate and the final examination will be in online mode, and the center based, home based and opt out option is come, and the link for the intermediate and final students is also come. So let's go through this official notification. I will explain each and every point in this notification. So let's start. In the first point, they said that two options will be there: center based and the home based online mode examination. And in the second point, they said that candidate student whoever will be appear in intermediate and the final examination through online. So if they want to choose examination from home, so they have to choose this option from the link, and if they want to give it through online, so also they will have to choose this option will be in the link. And if any student will not choose any option, so it will be held that the student will give the examination will from the center based online examination. So must choose link if you want to opt out or want to give from home based examination, otherwise it will be automatically selected to the center based online examination. And they give some instruction: if you want to give from home, so you should have laptop, desktop or tablet. The mobile will not be work for the online examination. In the third point, they give the link for intermediate and final student for choosing this option: center based online examination, home based online examination and opt out option. And one important point, that in opt out option, whatever is your fees will be carry forward for the next term. In the fourth point, they said that student who have PC, laptop, tablet must ensure that their internet connectivity, power backup and their system is well maintained, because if any technical failure will occur, so this will be not the institute responsibility, and sole responsibility will be gone to candidate. Yes, so this point says that you should make sure your all things, because any technical error comes, so they will not take any responsibility and we have to suffer from that. So if you have any problem, so just opt center based online examination. I will also go for that. In the point 5, they said that center based online examination, they will provide admit card and each and everything, and you have to give all the information like email id, mobile number correctly, because we will get the pass key credential in that, so it should be right in format. In the points is they said only this thing, that mock examination is working from mobile phone, but the original exam in December 2020 will not be work from mobile phone. We have to be give it from laptop, desktop or tablet. And in the 7th point, they mentioned that the last date for filling up this credentials is 12 November 2020. So only 12 days are there. Go and fill it. I will give the link in description for your reference. So you can go from there and choose your option wisely. I will make video for that also, that how to choose and fill that options. After that, they said once you have selected an option to appear in the said examination, no request will be entertained to change in option that is home based to center based or vice versa. Means once you choose whether you want to give examination or you want to opt out, or you are giving from home based or center based, you cannot change it in the future. So choose wisely. Question paper contain both type of question, MCQs and descriptive type, as it was in the previous papers. There will be no negative market. In the point 11, they said clearly there will be no negative market. In the point 12, they said that there will be 2 alternative questions like it was in earlier question patterns. So there will be 2 alternative questions for all candidate students, including both center based or home based online notification. They will get through SMS or email ID the login credential and passkey. So must provide your email ID and mobile number correctly. Don't mention it wrong. Please check it twice or thrice. In the point 13, they mentioned that online mock test has already launched for intermediate students and soon will be launched for final students. In 14 point they mention students are requested to practice those series. You should practice those series because this will help in the final examination only for us only. So you will practice as much as you can. And in the point 16 they say who is completed all the condition for appearing the examination as per the regulation will be allowed to appear for the examination. 17 point probably date of publication of result to be announced in due course. So this is all the official notification. I will provide link for the intermediate and final students so that you can go from that link and choose the options and give your correct details. So thank you everyone for watching. Do subscribe, like and comment your views about the online mode examination. Thank you very much.